Hello tubes, I'm sorry I lost the footage of the cab removal. It was a bit of a pain, but you're going to have to manage it like this. At the moment here I'm taking the four-wheel drive unit off. I already took off the trumpet housings, and a lot of work has gone into it, and I'm basically taking the gearbox off now in one big lump after. So after I go through this little bit of speeded up footage, you'll go back to normal then, and we'll see if we can get this thing fixed, or will it be fucked, one of the two. So I hope we enjoy it. It's going to be a couple of parts to it, and this is going to probably be 3 or 4 parts to it, because it's already been done really. So see you next time.
Well, hello tubers, I'm back on my old Kodak camera here because it's dangles around my neck. I can actually show you more in detail stuff with it. So trouble with the GoPro, it's on wide angle view and it doesn't show the close-up stuff. So what I'm doing now is I've got some straps on the back end now, and we're splitting the gearbox and the whole back end off this tractor. It's a bit of a task to do it, but we're getting there. You can see there. We've got it coming quietly. It's very sticky on the bolts at the moment, but it is coming quietly. There's still a big long shaft in there, so I'll go back, quietly back, and just do this slowly, catching monkey, as they say. So I know the quality isn't as good with this camera, but I can show you more in detail of what I'm doing. So it's the same this side. It wouldn't free to start with, but I've managed to get a gap at the top and put a screwdriver in there and then lift it up slowly, and now it's freed at the bottom. And if you'll see here, these were rusted. Sorry, these were rusted there. Now it's started to free, it should be okay. So as I go along, I will show you. Look at the tractor, it looks terrible. There's nothing left of it, is there? Let's hope we can fix it, eh? Right tubers, she's just come apart, and as you can see there's a big O-ring there. Also, this shim has come out from that, from there, from the bottom. So there was nothing holding that in, that was just shim holding it in. So that's all it is. So if I reverse back now till these pins come out, it'll hopefully come out. There, looks like our problem. There's a noise, look, see? Fucking hell. That is what is making the rattling noise. Well, I'll be buggered. That could be our problem. Don't know. I honestly don't know about that, but we'll see when we'll get back a bit further. Right tubes, now the gearbox is all apart, if you can see. We've got quite a few problems. That thing there looks worn to shit rags. Them teeth. And this thing up here, I don't even know what the hell it does, but that is been vibrating and worn. So we'll have to look in a book about that. But there's a lot worn on it. But that thing definitely, by the look of it, it's going to have to come out from the clutch side. Ugh. Yeah, well there we are. That's that side. That pulled apart. There was nothing holding them, only the outside bolts. Only the outside bolts, okay? So here we have the back end, and we have got some problems here. Now looking at that top thing, that looks like it was something to do with the noise, because that was supposed to be a thread on there, and that was just like that. So that's something to do with it. but here, I don't know if you can see there, I don't think that them teeth look right there to me. So that is probably going to be expensive, that shaft, I should imagine. But we shall see. I don't know. Perhaps it was made like that, I doubt it very much. So we got that. Where that there is in, looks like it's supposed to keep all these gears tight. If you see there that bearing isn't right, is it? It doesn't look like it, unless them are just shims, aren't they? But that bearing doesn't look right there to me. Soon see. No, there's no thread on that. So, we'll leave it to that for now until I delve more into it. Yeah, we have some serious problems here. It looks like this tractor, sometime or other, has had a really massive weight on, I think. That's what it looks like to me. And they've braked hard. And this is run on. That's what it looks like. It looks like a almost catastrophic failure. How the hell it was still going, I'm not sure. But look, the teeth are down to nothing. Now this looks like it could be the front of the pinion shaft. I'm not sure. It might be, it might not be. But we will soon bloody see, as they say. This is bad news.